How to install apps without Apple ID password on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Here we go. Scroll down. Navigate to the option of Screen Time. Make sure you have enabled Screen Time in your device. If not, you have to enable it. With that, you're gonna get different options. Now head towards the option of Content and Privacy Restrictions. Here you're gonna find the section iTunes and App Store Purchases. Open this option. Now here you will find the section of Require Password. Set it to Don't Require. Then you can head back to the main page of Settings. Now scroll down and navigate to the option of Face ID and Passcode. Enter your phone's passcode. Then you're gonna find this option iTunes and App Store. Disable for this option. And just for that, you will be good to go. Now you can close this. Launch your App Store. Search for any of the app that you want to download. Just click on the option of Get, and with that the download process will start. Now you won't require any password or the Face ID, it will be automatically downloaded in your device. Well, this way you can easily install apps without Apple ID password. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.